Hi, this is Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here, this is a beautiful kit. This is a carburetor kit conversion for a twin cam. Okay, does away with all the injection, get rid of your ECU. You can basically use all your standard stuff, keep the stock ECU, and this will work. Okay, you just basically got 12 volts to this ignition. We give you a new coil, new leads. If you want to program it, you're one of these electronic guys, you can, but it has actually got the maps pre-done in it anyway, so to be honest, you don't need it. And sometimes too much is more is too much. Okay, carburetor, beautiful HSR, as you can see, very well made, polished version we normally do. Got the choke cable on it, everything, which when you buy these they don't have. Okay, manifold adapter, as you can see, carburetor, sorry, fuel tank adapters, your tap, high flow, all your instructions here. Okay, some more instructions to go. Wires for the coil. Okay, here's your adapter for the manifold. Okay, so basically your car's going to fit in there. That's going to go onto your original manifold. Okay, we also do an HSR manifold as well if you want a, you know, real high-end manifold as well. So if you're interested in converting your bike from injection to carburetor, give us a call. 01773 835 666. There is an American number, a 386 Florida number for Daytona Beach. If you want a phone from the States, toll free, give us a call. Thank you. CustomCruisers.com, the new site, or sorry, the old site, which has got everything on like this. The new site, CustomCruisers.eu, is definitely getting there and is a way better looking site, but unfortunately the products aren't on there yet. 01773 835 666, like I say, or email sales@customcruisers.com if you need any more info. Thank you.